Hola, it's Gaby here for Crafty Gaby, and I'm going to make a Easter card using this stamp set. It's supposed to be for Christmas. Let's look the name of the stamp sets. But I'm going to decorate the truck with Easter eggs. I'm coloring the truck with Copic markers in colors light blue and teal, because I'm going to try to do the truck in pastel color and the eggs in bright colors. As you see here, I'm doing basic coloring, nothing difficult, and I'm going to put some music, enjoy the coloring. After I finish coloring, I'm going to cut everything with my scissors, as you see there, and I'm going to color with my memento marker all around the figures, and I'm going to use this stencil that is the from Honey Bee. It's called Sunburst Lettering, and I'm going to do the rainbow coloring all around, and then I'm going to take the stencil out, and I'm going to do light coloring with the same colors again. I'm going to glue a piece of vellum to the window of the car. In the coloring, you see that I colored the window of the car because I didn't check the die cut before, and the die cut leave the window open. It's for that I am placing right now vellum. Now I'm going to place off the pieces that I cut. I cut this line to be the road, and because everything is like whimsical rainbow, I want to do the road in like glitter road. I'm placing a fence and grass, and after that I'm going to glue the eggs to the truck, and I'm going to glue the truck using foam tape. After I glue everything down, I'm going to stamp Happy Easter in the top of the car, and I'm going to glue my car panel to pink cardstock, placing the car all the way to the bottom, leaving the top part bigger than the rest of the frame. And after that, I'm going to glue this to a white cardstock. I'm also going to add some little jewels in the same color of the rainbow, and that will be my card for today. Thank you for watching my videos. Until next card, goodbye.